Welcome to Ahern Waste Management and Recycling Services. Our main priority is your safety at our facilities. All aspects of our site rules and regulations have been put in place to mitigate risks, to allow us to provide a safe working environment at all times. If you are unsure about any of the rules and regulations, please stop and seek guidance from our site staff immediately. On arrival, make sure you have the necessary personal protective equipment. You will not be able to leave your vehicle cab without safety boots with toe cap and midsole protection, gloves suitable for all tasks you undertake, a hard hat, a high visibility waistcoat or jacket. Mobile phones are not to be used on site. Unless specifically authorised, passengers must not get out of the vehicle. Children are not permitted on site unless part of an organised party with prior consent and no pets allowed. Smoking and vaping is not allowed in the transfer building or in vehicles. Alcohol and drugs are strictly prohibited, and if site staff suspect that an individual is under the influence, their vehicle will be impounded and they will be escorted from the site. The necessary authorities will be contacted. Toting is forbidden. Vehicles and traffic. When you arrive on site, follow the designated traffic route and traffic signs. You must not exceed the site speed limit. Flashing beacons must be used at all times, and in poor visibility, headlights should be turned on. Please take care when reversing. If in doubt, stop and request the banksman's assistance. Do not leave your vehicle unattended. Personnel are only permitted to leave their cabs in an emergency or under the instruction of the banksman. In the event of an emergency, you must obey all instructions given to you by site staff. All sheeting and unsheeting must be done at the stop sign only. Any subcontracted articulated vehicle coming in to collect a load should ensure their manual sheets are undone prior to entering site and, where applicable, their headboards pushed back. Manually sheeted loads should be lowered to the ground to be unsheeted. Should you suspect a problem with your load, you must report this immediately for inspection. All waste should be cleared at the stop sign and not in the heavy plant operating area, and always under the banksman's instructions. The parking brake must be applied. Weighbridge operating instructions. Go directly to the weighbridge and, where applicable, observe the weighbridge traffic lights. Do not drive off the bridge until the green light is illuminated, and wait at the stop sign for further instruction. The driver must ensure all crew members stay in the vehicle when on site. Drivers cannot climb onto vehicles, in trailers, or climb on top of the load when de-sheeting the vehicle. Wait for the banksman to instruct you to reverse into the disposal area and discharge your load in accordance with your employer's or the vehicle manufacturer's instructions. If your load sticks, stop the discharge operations and immediately report the problem to site staff. Do not attempt to physically assist the discharge of your load. If your vehicle becomes unstable or any wheel begins to lift off the floor, stop the discharge operation immediately, make the vehicle safe, then report the problem to site staff. When discharge is complete, pull your vehicle forward to clear the discharged load. Lower bodies or hoppers, close bin doors and check the vehicle for loose waste. Never walk or work under an unpropped door, body, skip or hopper. Before leaving the tipping area, complete your vehicle operations and proceed to the weighbridge before leaving the site. We hope this video has been useful to understand our site rules. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to welcoming you to our facility. If you have any questions, please contact the Ahern Site Management team for further clarification.